we've seen countries across the world take very different approaches to how to encourage people to get vaccinated. I have a question that's come in from the audience. It's from, let me see, Ruth Morelli in Pennsylvania. And Ms. Morelli asks, are there any nations you look at as models of coronavirus containment? And maybe Dr. Emanuel, you can start with that one.
Well, I think there are lots of countries that have done reasonably well. Denmark, Portugal, Israel, and they have, by and large, first of all, they're united in fighting pandemic COVID, and they don't have this sort of politicization, polarization. And we can't underestimate how devastating that has been when senators, governors like DeSantis or Abbott in Texas impede federal efforts to try to get this under control and really undermine it. Second, they have been able to dramatically increase the proportion of people who were vaccinated well over what we are, and close to 90% in many of those countries. And getting people vaccinated and boosted makes a very big difference. And in those countries, as I think you pointed out and hinted at, trust in the public health message has been critical. I have to say, our CDC has been less than good at engendering trust by the population because of its confusing announcements, its change in announcements, and that really does need to change on the federal government level. We know that trust is very heavily correlated to actually outcomes and containing COVID and getting the incidence rate down. Again, let's remember, for the audience, we're not getting it to zero. It's going to be here with us forever, as far as certainly for our lifetimes. We're going to get it low, and that's going to be critical.